Hey guys, what's going on? Chad here, and today I'm doing an unboxing on a couple Mountaineer Brand products that I have. I've had different Mountaineer Brand products in the past that I've showcased on this channel, including the bald head kit and some other things as well. You can check those videos out on this channel. I'll link those videos at the end of this one. But today's video, I'm going to be talking about a couple different lines that they have. One of them is the E7, the Essential 7. And also the Smokey Bourbon. So I'm going to show you some offerings that they have. And so let's get started. So I'm going to open up this first box here. In this first box, you find the E7, which is going to be your Essential 7. And I will be doing a review on this stuff at a later time. But this is just the unboxing. So in the box, you're going to have the Essential 7 body wash. That's what it looks like. Again, this is the body wash by Mountaineer Brand, Essential 7. The geranium, black pepper, and juniper are the main notes in this. This is a 12 fluid ounce body wash. This is going to be the Flex Spray, which is practically like your body spray. Pretty much your utility spray, you can use it anywhere. Essential 7 scent. It's got the geranium, black pepper, and juniper, and this is gonna be 4 ounces on this bottle. Just has the cap you can spray. So, in the box also, we have the beard oil. Beard oil Essential 7. The beard balm. Just your typical beard balm. I also elected to check out the muscle rub. So I'll be excited to check this stuff out and see how this works. Maybe after a workout where my muscles are hurting and trying to repair. This is what it looks like. It's got that nice calming scent to it. 2.5 ounce. Okay guys, so these little things right here are gonna be your lip gunk. Lip gunk is what they call it. And it is gonna be practically pretty much your chapstick. Cherry, peppermint, spearmint, and licorice. So this is going to smell more like, can taste more like your black licorice. So again, these are your chapstick here in 1/2 ounce containers. I'll drop prices below where you can find this and also where you can purchase it at a discount. So that is the Essential 7 scent. In this box, just move this one out of the way, you're gonna find the Smokey Bourbon. And I really enjoy this scent. It is really, really nice. It's got that smoky scent to it, just as it says, Smokey Bourbon. Just like the E7, I do have the body wash as well. And this is going to be bourbon, cypress, and tobacco. Got the Flex Spray as well. So same thing, 4 ounce utility spray. And in this one, I've got hand gunk. So if you have cracked hands or struggle with dry hands, this is really, really nice to have. It's gonna have the rosemary and lavender in it, kind of more heavier in the rosemary scent. So it does have that scent to it. I did use a little bit of this so far, but it is kind of oily, to be honest with you, but after a little while it does dry and it does make your hands really soft. So all natural ingredients in all of these. Right here is gonna be your styling stick, so you can style your beard. It's kind of a push-up container. You just push it like that and it comes out the top. It's like that. Again, really, really nice scent to it. I can smell a lot of the tobacco. I also have the beard balm in the Smokey Bourbon. I have not used it, as you can see, yet. This is going to be your 2 ounce container. These two things I really, really enjoy, and that is the natural, all natural deodorant. And and this is going to be a 2.5 ounce container. And I have used a little bit of this stuff, so it is pretty nice. This one, guys, is really, really cool. This is the Stache stick. And if you want to style that mustache, maybe you have some handlebars, maybe you don't. You just push that up just like that last one, and you can just style away. Really, really nice. So again, guys, I really, really enjoyed the Smokey Bourbon scent. It is really, really nice. This is a nice offering in the Smokey Bourbon line. This is not all of it. There's obviously wash and conditioner as well. But again, you know, I do have the hand gunk to check out as well, and along with the E7, which is the Essential 7. So again, I'll drop links in the description below where you can find these at and pick them up at a discount. Any of these products from Mountaineer Brand are going to be high quality, great products. So I can already tell you that the wash, the conditioner are excellent. I've tried different scents of these, so these are really, really good. I've tried the deodorant, I've tried Stache sticks, the Beard Balm, and the Beard Balm styling stick. Anyways, guys, if you've tried any of these out before, go ahead and drop in the comments below. Let us know your thoughts on it. And guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.